and gentlemen, let's do this review. Now you have to remember to do the inverse operation. Good job. Inverse operation. So if this is addition right here, you're going to have to subtract, right?
Yeah.
If this is multiplication, then you have to divide by the same sign, right? When you're multiplying, dividing, right? Yes, Mr. Pass, of course, Mr.
Yes, Mr. Pass.
And this is the Superstar Coaster Extra problem. So if you don't want to use Superstar Coaster Extra, that's fine, but I think it does help students do the right order. Now you notice I reversed all these problems just to make sure you're comfortable with the variable being on either side. Okay, now down here, I just want to do a quick little review. We've got the open plate, closed plate, right? And which way the arrow is pointing. We also have, does this change? Well, how do we, what's the shortcut for how we find out if it changes? Come on, shortcut. Look for the co-star. Everybody remember that? All right. So real quick, who's the co-star here?
4.
Very good. And is it negative? Yes, so that means we're going to be pointing the other way. Okay, what about this one? 2. Everybody, what's the co-star? 2. And is it positive or negative? Positive. So that means we're facing the same way. Now, by the way, this is not the same problem because I should have reversed the inequality if I wanted to have it the same problem. So it's actually a different problem, but that's okay. It's another problem to practice. Okay, now we can go get started. We have, as our first guest, we have Daniel Pass coming all the way from Jamaica. Let's hear it for Daniel Pass. Hey, everybody clap. Thank you very much. Okay, Daniel Pass, how do we do the first problem?
So you have to turn the positive 6 to a negative 6.
Well, we're going to use the opposite.
Oh, yeah, you're going to use the opposite.
Right, so we're going to do minus 6. If you do it on one side,
you do it on the other.
Yeah, so we do it on both sides. That gets rid of that 6 because it becomes 0. And then we got to do what?
Good guys, bad guys.
Good guys, bad guys. Thank you. Okay, and we get 10 and 6. What does that make?
16.
Bad guys scored 16. How many people got that right? Nobody. How many people got that right? A lot of people. Okay. All right, now, remember, especially on the 2 steps, and especially when you get to harder problems in your high school or 8th grade, then you want to check your answer. Negative 16 plus 6. Does that make negative 16?
Affirmative.
Yeah, because you have to do another good guys, bad guys. And bad guys win by 10. Wait, I'm wrong. What am I doing? I wrote the wrong thing. Sorry. Does it equal negative 10? My bad. I copied the problem wrong.
Yo, that thug.
Good job, Mr. Pass.
Good job.
The fake Daniel Pass is better than the real Mr. Pass.
Yo, I'm better.
Okay, so 16 bad guys and 6 good guys. Bad guys win by 10, so we checked our answer. Yay.
That's cool.
All right, number 2, Daniel Pass. How do we do it?
You divide the negative 4 and z by 4. Negative 4.
Negative 4. Remember, same sign. Remember when I wrote that real big?
Yeah.
Don't forget that. When you're multiplying, dividing, it's same sign. Okay. And if you do it on one side,
You do it on the other.
you do it on the other side. And what's the answer?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Dorito Man, because we're multiplying, dividing. And my Dorito Man keeps erasing. Okay. Now, we should check our answer. Okay, if it's negative 4, right, then that means that negative 4 times z, which is negative 4. Does negative 4 times negative 4 equal positive 16? Yup. So we did it right. Happy face.
Yeah.
Let's hear it for Daniel Pass. Okay, good job, Daniel Pass. Okay, now, focus on this, please. No, you're not. Close it. All right. Who do we have now? We have Chrissy coming from across the street. Let's hear Chrissy.
Hi.
Okay, now Chrissy, put your crackers away, dude. Too.
Bro, I want to eat.
Okay. So who's the superstar, Chrissy?
All
Go ahead.
right. My bad.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Okay. So.
Okay, I'm gonna pause Superstar, buddy.
The superstar is an X.
Are you sure?
I think.
What do you guys think? Yes, co-star.
And the co-star is 4.
Good. And the extra?
7.
Okay, what do we get rid of first, everybody?
We divide.
Everybody, what do we get rid of first? The extra. So how do we get rid of plus 7?
We subtract 7. So
Minus 7 on both
7.
sides. Very good. We don't really need good guys, bad guys on this because it's just subtraction, but you could do it. Okay, 4x equals 24. Now what?
Okay, we divide the 4, just divide it by itself, and then divide 4 by 24.
Good. Now don't forget to show
I
the
leave
step,
the x by
everybody.
itself.
Some people skip that step. Okay, x equals 6. Now we should check it. Does 4 times 6, 4x, right? Plus 7, does that equal 31? I don't know. Does it?
It does.
Yes.
Yeah, because 24 plus 7 equals 31. Happy face. Okay. Now this is going to be the same problem. The exact same steps. Minus 7 first, and then divide by 4.
Alright.
Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. So all of these are the same. You just need to get used to doing it on both sides there.
Yeah.
Okay. We don't have time for all these. Let's hear it for Chrissy, though. All right. Let me do this next one super quick. Okay. Plus 26 on both sides. All right. Right? 2t equals... Oh, I should have done superstar costar extra. My fault. There you go. All right. What do we get? 38 divided by 2. And we get t equals 19. Okay? And I'm not going to check it because we don't have time. Sorry. Lorax, you want to do the next one quick?
Yeah.
Okay, Lorax, go. Who's the superstar?
X.
X. Who's co-star?
5.
5. Who's the extra?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. All right, so first step is?
Add 1 on both sides.
Add 1. That's right. Okay, good. Okay, that's it. So 5x is equal to?
Negative 5.
Okay. Bad guys win by 25. All right. Now, divide by 5. Positive or negative?
Wait, what?
What do we divide by, positive or negative 5?
Oh, by positive 5.
Positive because same sign. Okay, and this is Dorito Man. This is negative 5. Cool. All right. Raise your hand if you got all of them right so far. Awesome. All right. Let's see. I'm going to do this super quick because we're running out of time. Negative 4z is equal to positive 4. Okay. Z is equal to Dorito Man, negative 1. All right. So let's see. Number 7, you're not there. What's the first step on this, everybody? Superstar, co-star, extra. What's the first step?
Subtract 1.
Yeah, subtract 1. It's the extra. Easy cheesy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's going to be Dylan. Let's hear it for Dylan coming from Dylan's house. All right, go ahead. Now you got to go quick.
Well, because this one's closed, you have to have the circle closed.
On
and
where?
you have to start it on -5.
Right, so
And then you go to the
full
left.
plate underneath. Turn around, please. Okay, and now which way is it going?
The
Left or
left.
right? Very good. Left, because it's everything less than. Yes, he is. Okay, turn your paper on so you can follow around, buddy. Okay, now what about this one?
You start on -6 and it's open and you go to the right.
Open. You're good. Excellent. Cool. All right, now let's do the very last ones. I'm sorry, we're rushing a little bit. At the beginning, like we said at the beginning, since this co-star is negative, I'm just going to write in the thing at the end. Because I know that's the most important part for me here. So getting rid of the extra first, negative 4x, right? And then we divide by negative. Okay. And Dorito Man. Okay? Okay, let's do this one. Here, who got that one right? We got so many people. Okay, extra first, right? Woo, that's really good. Good job. That's excellent. Okay, 18, right? Okay, now what, everybody? What do we do? Divide by 2. Okay. And the inequality stays the same direction because we're not dividing by a negative, excuse me. All right, cool.